Today we're reviewing a Kansas City area-based heating and air company we've turned inside and out, providing local residents a helpful industry review of All Right Heating and Cooling. Ron Kilgore is amongst the most respected owners in the HVAC industry, and his company grades out with excellent marks, especially with outstanding customer support, reputable reviews, and testimonials. If you live in Blue Springs or Lee Summit or Independence, need heating and air services, call them today. Or learn more about Ron's outstanding team by visiting them online. Have a great day and thanks for watching.